gonna teach you how to make a chicken. So then we need a circle and 2 circles right inside. Now make it big and turn it around. Make that one big, turn it around. But we can't see it, so I make it a little that. Now I can see it. Now, then I'm gonna color the eyes white. Then I'm gonna put some eyeballs in. I want it to face the left. Now, I'm going to draw some wings on that part. Oops, I messed up. I messed up again. But we can redo that. Then we need to click on the other one. Hold on, click it. Wait, what's happening? Oh yeah. Then we need to color the mouth. Put it a little down. No, that's not right. No. Now I'm going to put the line and drag it up. Now I'm going to dot the eye. I don't know if it's not that high.
Do you know what you're doing?
I do know what I'm doing. I'm Fatima and I know what I'm doing. And then we put a chicken, like some hair. Nope, not that perfect. Now, sorry for yelling. No. Do it again. No. Finally. Now I just need a little dot and then color that up. Color bucket won't work. Now I'm gonna try to color that with the color bucket. Oh, not him red. Now I'm going to see something. I'm gonna take that out. Delete. No, I'm not gonna delete it. I'm just gonna draw the, legs now. Too big. Never mind, I don't care if it's too big. Now, what else am I gonna do? Oh, yeah, I need to color the wings, I forgot. Not that guy. Oh, no. I need to draw that, maybe. Now, let's color it in. Oh my God, it won't work. Oh, when he does it like that. Huh? I guess I have to color it in. Why did I just stop? Stop mouse. My mouse is just staying there. We don't need the lines.
That's a buff chicken.
Now, what else do I do? It's finished.